In this video, I'm going to show how to buy Rust skins on Steam. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works if you are on your phone or your computer, doesn't matter. You just need to log into your account, the same account that you want to buy some skins on Rust. Now, you need to check if you have money on your Steam wallet. Okay, in my case, I have money to buy some skins on Rust. Now, you need to come on Community Market, and it will come to this page. Okay, if you don't have money right here on your Steam wallet, I recommend you to click on View My Wallet, and by here you can add some money to your Steam wallet. Okay, so add some money to your Steam wallet. Here you have some options. In my case is Brazilian Real right here, when your case will be your currency. So add the funds, come on Gano Community, so drag your mouse to Community Market, and it will come right here. By here you can select skins or some items by game. In our case, we want Rust, so come Rust, click. By here you will see all the skins that Rust have on market. You can also click on Show Advanced Options and select the type of the weapon that you want, okay, or their armor. So for example, boots, I want boots search. Here you will see all boots that have a market. Just select the skin that you want to buy, click right here buy, click on this option to agree, then click place order that you will buy iSkin on Rust Steam Market. I hope I help you how to buy Rust skins on Steam. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive other footsteps.